An all-in-one WhatsApp chatbot. Yes, you heard it right. In today's video, we are going to create an all-in-one WhatsApp chatbot for sales, support, and bookings. So by the help of this chatbot, not only your users can book the appointment, but can also get the answers of their all queries. And we are going to save the data of your leads or the customers in the Google Sheet without any manual efforts. So now let me show you how this WhatsApp chatbot is going to work in real time. So for testing it, let's move on towards my WhatsApp. And now let's say I'm the customer or the user who want to interact with this business. So here I'm going to send a message to my business number, which is saved here as my test number. So here I'm going to enter this message, that is hello, and this message is going to initiate my WhatsApp chatbot. And here I'm getting a welcome message which says, hello, welcome to Apex Skill Institute. We help you build job ready skills. How can we assist you today? And here I'm getting two buttons, that is view courses and ask questions. So here I'm going to select this first button of view courses, and as I have selected it, I'm getting the list of the popular programs or courses provided by this particular institute. So now let's open this list, and now let's say I'm going to select this first course, that is digital marketing. And as I have selected this course, I'm getting the details of this course, and here you can check out its durations and some other details as well. And here I'm getting this button, that is enroll now, which I have selected. And as I have selected it, I'm getting a message which is asking me to enter my full name. So here I'm going to enter my full name as demo user. So I'm going to just provide it, and as I have provided my full name, I'm getting a message which is asking me to enter my email address. So here I'm going to enter my email address as demo@pabblytudes.com, and now I'm going to just provide it. And as I have provided my email address, I'm getting a thank you or the confirmation message. So now you have seen that as soon as I have clicked over this enroll now button, my chatbot is asking me some questions, and I have successfully enrolled myself in this particular course. Now let's move on towards my Google Sheet to check whether the data of this particular student is saved over my Google Sheet or not. So here you can see that I'm landed to my Google Sheet, and here I'm successfully receiving all the details of the student which has recently enrolled in the course. So now if you're running a business and want to save the data of the leads, then you can definitely use this amazing WhatsApp chatbot, by using which as soon as my user will provide me their details in the WhatsApp, the data will be automatically fetched and added in the Google Sheet. And now let's move on towards my WhatsApp, and here I'm going to select this second button, that is ask question. And as I have selected it, I'm getting this message which says hello, how may I help you? And here I'm going to enter my query. So here I'm going to enter my query as what are the fee structure? So here I'm going to just enter it, and here I will be receiving the answer of my query within few seconds. And here I'm getting this message regarding the fee structure. Now let's enter another question. So here I'm going to enter this question, what is the admission process? Now let's wait for the response, and here you can see that I'm getting the answer of my questions. So now you can see that this WhatsApp chatbot is performing many tasks, saving the data of the leads, enrolling them in the course, and even providing the answer of all their queries. And now you might be wondering how I'm getting these responses of my queries. So I have attached an AI assistant with this particular button, that is ask questions. So my AI assistant is providing me the answer of all my queries on the basis of the knowledge base which I have provided to it, and that knowledge base contains details of my business. So right here you can see this is the knowledge base I have created for my Skill Institute, and here you can see that I have added all the details of my business in few points. So you can also create a knowledge base like this for any type of business you are running. So a knowledge base is basically act as a brain of your AI assistant. So whatever information you provide here is what your AI will answer to your customers. So make sure to create a good knowledge base, and always start with a business overview so that AI can understand what business you are running and what you offers and what your target audience is. And make sure to include detailed information about your service or products. Instead of writing vague lines, be specific. Like here I have provided my courses offered and its details in the few points. So you can also create it like this, and make sure to include just the features in spite of adding extra text, because this will help your AI assistant to understand your knowledge base clearly. Because the saying is, the better the knowledge base you will create, the better the responses will be provided. And you can also include frequently asked question which will help your AI assistant to respond accurately to your customers or the clients, not for any particular business. This AI assistant can work for any type of business you are running. You just have to make the changes in your knowledge base. So now you have seen how I have created this amazing all-in-one WhatsApp chatbot. So you can also do it for any business you are running, whether you're running a coaching institute, running any service-based business, running any e-commerce business. This is going to work for every business, and it is also going to respond to your customer queries 24/7. Means you have got a digital team member which is going to work 24/7 for you. Means you will not miss even a single query of your customers, which will help your business to reach the next level. And now I'm going to show you the process of creating this amazing WhatsApp chatbot. And for that you have to access Pabbly Chatflow. So right here you can see this is the WhatsApp chatbot which I have created. So you have to land to this flow page for creating your WhatsApp chatbot. And if you are an existing user, then you definitely know how to get onto this page. But if you are a new user, then you have to type the URL of the Pabbly Chatflow, that is pabbly.com/chatflow. And once you will enter the URL, you will land to the home page of Pabbly, where you will see two options, that is sign in and sign up free. So if you are a new user or logging your account first time over the Pabbly Chatflow, then you can sign up free. And if you sign up your account for free over the Pabbly Chatflow, you get 100 free credits every month for practicing and exploring Pabbly Chatflow. And if you also want to automate your business, then I have bought an amazing offer for you. So right on the screen you can see this coupon code STUYT, which is going to provide you heavy and exclusive discounts on your purchase for the Pabbly. And it can be any product, whether it's Pabbly Chatflow or Pabbly Connect as well. So make sure to use this coupon code before buying any of our Pabbly product. But I will suggest you to firstly try our Pabbly Chatflow and Pabbly Connect, and afterwards you can proceed towards the subscription plans of Pabbly. And if you are an existing user, then you can just click over this sign in, and after accessing the Pabbly Chatflow, make sure to add your WhatsApp number to the Pabbly Chatflow account. And if you want to learn detailed process, then go and check the video given on the description. And now let me show you how I have created this all-in-one WhatsApp chatbot. So right here on my flow page, you can see we are getting this option for trigger. So now you might be wondering, what is this trigger? So trigger is the event which is going to initiate our WhatsApp chatbot. And this trigger event can be keyword or the regex entered by your users or many more. And here I have selected keyword or the regex match. Now you might be wondering, what is this keyword and regex? So keywords are the words which initiate your WhatsApp chatbot. And as I have recently interacted with WhatsApp chatbot, here you can see as I have entered this message, hello, my WhatsApp chatbot is initiated. So this is the trigger or the keyword which has initiated my WhatsApp chatbot this time. So likewise, you can also add keywords here. And if you want your WhatsApp chatbot to be triggered in any advanced message, then you can enter regex. So regex is basically the short form for the regular expression. These are used for the advanced user input. So you can enter regex like this. And now on your left hand side, you can see these messages and action blocks, which you can think as main building block for creating this WhatsApp chatbot flow. So you can drag any of these blocks and create the flow for your WhatsApp chatbot. Now if my user sends me a message, I'm going to send them a welcome message. So for that, I have used this text button note on this message block, and I have also created two buttons, that is view courses. So here I have provided my button name by just selecting this add button, and here I have selected my button type as quick reply. And afterwards, if my user select this button of view courses, I have provided the list of the courses offered by my business. And for creating the list, you just have to move over the message blocks, where you will see this option of list which you have to select. And here I have provided the body of my list, and I have created this section, that is courses. And you can create many more sections. And in this particular section, I have added 3 items, that is digital marketing, graphic design and spoken English. And afterwards, I have connected all these list items with these contact custom field. And now you might be wondering, what is this contact custom field? So you can think of contact custom field as a particular column which consists of the user's details. So now here I have selected my contact custom field as code selected, means it is going to consist of the code selected by my user. And for adding this node, you just have to move over the actions, and here you will see this option of set custom field which you have to select. And for creating the contact custom field, you just have to move over the settings, and here you will see this option of contact custom fields which you have to select. And you will be landed to the contact custom fields page which I have already opened, where you can see the previously created contact custom fields by me. And for creating a new one, we just have to click over this add more field button, and here you have to provide the field name and click over this save button, and your contact custom field will be created. But for now, I already have my contact custom field which I have selected. And afterwards, if my user selects any of these courses, here I have provided the details of that particular course in this text button node, and I have created this button, that is enroll now, in this particular text button node. And I have done same for the remaining list item as well. And now as my user will select this enroll now button, I have asked some questions, and for adding the question notes you just have to move over the actions, and here you will see this option of ask question which you have to select. And here I have entered my question asking for the full name and email, and I have selected the contact custom field based on these questions. And now I have added this node, that is API request, by using which I am going to save the data received in my WhatsApp to the Google Sheet. So for connecting Pabbly Chatflow with Google Sheet, I have used an amazing application provided by Pabbly, that is Pabbly Connect. So right here on my all Pabbly apps page, you can see this is the Pabbly Connect, which can integrate different applications and automate your work. So by using Pabbly Connect, I have integrated both my applications, that is Pabbly Chatflow and Google Sheet. So now as soon as I will receive the data in my Pabbly Chatflow, the data will be automatically added to the Google Sheet. And for connecting Pabbly Chatflow with Pabbly Connect, I have integrated this node, that is API request. And after saving the data to the Google Sheet, I'm going to send this confirmation message to my leads or the students. And here for the next button, that is ask questions, I have assigned this button to my AI assistant. Means if my users select this button of ask question, my AI assistant will be triggered and it is going to respond to all my customer queries. So here I have selected my AI assistant, that is Skill Institute AI, and this AI assistant is going to start with the welcome message, and this is the welcome message which my AI assistant is going to send to my users. So here you can see in this chat, my AI assistant has been started with this welcome message. So you can also create an AI assistant like this, which is going to respond to all your customer queries, and you know it is going to work on the knowledge base which you have provided to it. And this knowledge base contains every details of your business. And if you want to learn more about this process of creating the AI assistant and saving the data to the Google Sheet from the Pabbly Chatflow, then you can check the videos given on the description. And now this is the simple process for creating this all-in-one WhatsApp chatbot, which is going to perform all your tasks, whether it's saving the data of your leads, enrolling them to their business, or even answering all their queries. A single WhatsApp chatbot can do it all. So now if you also want to automate your business, then start using Pabbly Chatflow now. And I have provided the link of the workflow which I have recently created in the description box, so make sure to check it out. And if you face any doubts or challenges, then don't forget to mention it in the comment section and start using Pabbly, because Pabbly products are going to save up a lot of your time, so that your main focus is growth of your business, not these manual tasks, as automation is going to enhance your experience and your customers experience as well. And make sure to use the coupon code STUYT before buying any of our Pabbly product. So thank you for watching this video. And not only this chatbot, you can build many more amazing chatbots like this by just using Pabbly Chatflow. So if you want to learn more about the pricings and plans that fit your needs, then you can visit the link given over here. And if you have any queries or need assistance, then you can mail us at the email provided. And if you found this video really helpful, then hit the like, share and subscribe to our channel for more such automation tutorials. So thanks for watching.